Over the next few minutes, we will talk on how SAP profitability and performance management, that is PAPM, can help the financial services industry. This is one of the industries that plays a vital role in countries' development. When talking to several of the FSI leaders, we realized this is an industry that has a lot of challenges, especially during these COVID times. Some of these challenges that we highlighted here are challenges in predicting fund transfer pricing and liquidity transfer pricing curves, measuring regulatory risk, measuring transfer price for behavioral based products like CASA, credit cards, analyzing the product behavior based on the historical data and forecasting its future behavior and applying it to new products, managing assets and liabilities effectively, inflexible and time-consuming scenario and stress testing engines. We also understood that these problems combined with high transactional data volumes and fragmented systems leading to compromised decisions and less profitable levels. So how can SAP PAPM help? Well, SAP PAPM has several use cases that can help this industry. These use cases take advantage of the near real-time capabilities of the system. The most popular use cases are measuring transfer pricing using advanced methods at a product or event or business unit level, cash flow modeling, forecasting product behavior based on historical data and applying it to new products, dynamic asset liability management, and multi-level cost allocations. But these are just some of the use cases available. As you can see on the screen, there are several other use cases from which companies in FSI industry can take advantage from PAPM. Let us drill down to one of the use cases. So in this high-level overview of a simple scenario, we are going to see how FSI organizations can do the cost allocation using the power of PAPM. We start with our aggregated GL costs that typically come from core banking or financial systems. And then we have to merge it with activities, department records, and thereby to products to get to that final level detail on costing. We can also distribute it to the customer or account level to get to the lowest level detail on costing and thereby profitability. This can also help to build relationship-based pricing, which makes the bank's customers a long-term advocates to its products or services. Further, PAPM can process billions of records in a short span of time, thereby CXOs are empowered to take decisions in a click of a button. So companies can then report on any dimensionality that they need. And this is the detail that many companies around the globe are struggling. Their SAP PAPM is a solution that will help them achieve this. And then business leaders not only see the cost center source and then the allocated results, but they can also visualize the entire allocation process, understand exactly the methodology and answer questions why a certain cost landed on a particular department or a product or to a customer. And of course, if there is a need to, they can go deeper into as all the supporting detail is available. And where high-level executives want to start at the big picture, SAP PAPM also provides some advanced reporting and dashboarding capabilities together with the full integrative option of having the data being visualized on SAP reporting applications such as SAP Analytics Cloud, Business Objects, and Analysis Profits. I hope you like this quick introduction on how PAPM can help FSI industry. Hope to talk to you soon.